This conference will now be recorded.
Hey guys, happy evening for everyone. Are you there, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Hope
Yes,
you all
ma'am.
had a good day today. Hello. Today I am going to teach you gradient and drop shadow with the Instagram logo today. Guys, are you able to listen? Today we learn about gradient and drop shadow. Are you able to see the screen?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am, we can't see.
Okay. Now, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll learn about gradient and drop shadow, and we'll do this with the Instagram logo. Okay, and I hope everyone know what is Instagram, and we'll do the Instagram logo now. Let me take a square first, square shape, and then we'll adjust to it perfectly. And after that we'll be having a property bar here, and in that we'll select the first one, round corner thing, and we can adjust the corner, each and every edges of the square, and we can adjust each every side of the square. I'll set one, I'll give one for there, so that I can adjust the each corner of the side square. See, this is how you got the square, Instagram square. And after taking this, just zoom a little and place it in the center perfectly. And next you will be having a interactive fill tool here, and here you can fill the gradient also here. So just take this tool. See, you can apply the gradient now easily. Gradient means you can apply 3 to 4 colors at a time for this square. So you can upload it easily like this. Just drag it. Just take this and just drag to the corner and place it here smoothly. Place it here. See, if you take this gradient interactive fill, you'll be having the two colors here, black and white, and you need to change that. But Instagram logo has not the black and white color. It has so many, around 3 to 4 colors. So we need to fill 3 to 4 colors at least for this Instagram logo. So and now I'm going to double click here so that I'll get another color here, so that I can fill another color with this. So I'll take here also. If I click, if I double click here, I can fill more than two colors here. Will be, I mean, like, we'll be giving two colors for gradient. Normally, if we want extra color to fill that particular square, means we can double click there and we can adjust here and there also.
Mom, we can't hear you.
Now, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you want to fill color, just click this and you'll be getting this drop button. And if you click that, you can fill any color here, any of it. Okay. So you can just put any color. And here, especially for Corel Draw, we use color mode like CMYK. And C for cyan, M for magenta, and Y for yellow, and K for black. and this is specially for vector based work, where the CorelDRAW is only for vector based work. We use that color mode for only vector based work. Okay, so now we'll select the color. I'll select here whichever the color we need, we can select here. Okay, just select and go back. See, it will fill by itself. If you want to, if you want to transfer the color, you can reduce or increase this transparency. If you reduce this, it will fill more color. So if you reduce this, see, if you reduce this, it look like transparent color. So just reduce this, have this color. So same like that you can apply for all the gradient which you have taken. And here also we take some purple, and at the edge we'll take some yellow color. So if it is out of the border, so just drag down. Okay, you'll get that. Like this. Change the purple one. Give this violet, don't give that violet thing, and increase this. And blue also you need to give at least a navy blue. It looks better. And you can change here also in the property bar. You can change however you want, like this. Okay, like this. However you want, you can just change this. So we'll just take this and we'll do. Keep this here and drag down a little. So you'll be getting like this, and no logos have the stroke. And you know about the stroke, right? Stroke means outline of the shape which you have taken. So no shape will be having the stroke. No outline will be there for a logo. So if you want to remove if you want to remove stroke, just click here. You can remove outline. See, like this. Just place the gradient perfectly so that it should show perfectly the colors which you have taken there for the Instagram. Okay, and take a pick tool and click out. So you will be setting like this. So now what you'll do, just take another square like this, and same thing you need to do. Round corners, you should take a round corners here and put one here, and it'll take in each side. See, like this. And decrease the size of it a little, increase in the size, and keep it here. Increase a little, keep it in the center, and you'll be having a guidelines there so that you can know which is center and which is edge, border, and everything. You'll be having a guidelines. If you can't see guidelines, go to view tab, and here you'll be having guidelines. So if you enable that, you will be getting guidelines there. You can set there. Okay, if no one, if you nobody is getting that guidelines, you can set here. So now you will be having a stroke, outline here, and you can increase the point of it. At least increase 12 point here, and put as a white color to it. Make it a little. Now it's set. And what you will do next, take a circle. If you want a perfect circle, you need to press a control, then only you'll get a perfect circle, or else you'll be getting like this. So if you press control, you'll be getting perfect circle seal, or else you'll be getting like this. Press control and then make it a little small size and put here. And you need to increase the outline of the circle also around 10, and give the outline color as a white. Right click on your mouse is a outline color and left click on your mouse is a fill color. If you want to fill color, you need to left click on your mouse. If you want to give a color to the outline of the shape, you need to click the right side of your mouse. And make another circle smaller. And take that circle and make it a little small and keep it here. And what you need to do for a outline, just press right side of the mouse white, and fill is also white, like this. This is what you need to do for Instagram logo. So, and don't give don't give outline to any logo, and that is not considered as a professional thing. Each and every professional logo doesn't have any outline. You can check that. So this is your Instagram logo. You can make it so easily, and just make it a little small, this circle, and place it smoothly there, corner of the square you should place the circle. Got now? This is your Instagram logo. And after doing the logo, you can group it, or else it will come by each and every shape. Okay, if you group that, it will become one shape. Okay, one logo. So that group it. For grouping, the control key is control plus G. Select this all with the pick tool. Select this all with the pick tool like this, and press control G, so that it will group it, so that you can move anywhere. It will create one shape. See here, you can move anywhere. Anyone have a doubt in this? Okay. Guys, are you done with your logo? Say yes or no, guys.
No, ma'am.
Okay, do this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. It should come properly like this. And if you want to ungroup this, if you have done any mistake and if you want to ungroup this object or a shape, you need to do control plus U. So that is the control key for ungrouping. Control G is for grouping and control plus U is ungrouping. And after doing this, take a text tool, keep this logo up. After doing this, keep this up like this, and take a text tool you'll be having here, and for that text tool, control key is F8. If you press F8, you'll get text tool. You can text anything. So give a text to it, give Instagram to it. Make it bigger with the corners only. Don't make bigger with the middle and top and anything. Enlarge in the corner only. Drag it in corner only so that you'll get perfect size of it. Never drag in the middle, okay? Select this all text which you have taken and select here for Instagram. Select the text which they have taken for Instagram. And if you want to give perfect font style, for that you need to check it. You need to check the perfect font style and then you should give to the Instagram logo. So you can set this as a Instagram, and you can give a drop shadow for Instagram logo also, so that it look like 3D thing, 3D logo. It's look like that. So here you'll be having drop shadow tool. Here you can see this. So just take this tool and just drag it to the shape. You'll be getting shadow outside of the shape so that it look like a 3D thing. See, did you got that, guys? Hello, have you done with your logo, guys? And now select everything and just group it. For grouping, which I told, control plus G. Just group it, you'll be getting like this. This will be your Instagram logo. And you can do it easily. And if you want to ungroup this, see, control plus select, first select everything and control plus U. See, I can select inside of the object also, like this. And I'll ungroup this also. First I have grouped this, so I'll press Ctrl plus U for this also. Now I can select everything. Done with your logo, guys. And if you have done any mistake there, so that if you want to come back means just press Ctrl Z. Guys, if you done with your logo, so that I can show you another mandala art also. So tell me if you are done or not.
Mom, to
Are
do
you
it, I
there,
don't
guys?
think everyone has the software.
Excuse me.
Mom, I don't think everyone have the software to do it, ma'am.
Okay, just write the steps. I'll show another mandala art now. I'll
Yes,
show
ma'am.
mandala art. How to do mandala art now. And if you want to take another page, you can press here plus new, so that you can set your paper here and you can give a name also here. Then give OK for it. And you know what is mandala art? I'll show you now.
Mom, we can't see your screen.
And see, okay. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is mandala art, like this. You can do like this mandala arts. Okay, this is I'll show now how to do. I'll show now. You can do like this, and some people will keep this as a logo also, and some people will draw this and will draw it in a digital way. Just take a circle first. If you want a perfect circle, I told you to press Control. So press Control and place it in the middle center of the page like this. And if you want to zoom, you can zoom with the scroll button. Zoom it like this. And if you want to keep your work area in the middle, you can press the scroll button and you can keep anywhere with your comfortableness. Just increase the stroke size, outline. Here you will be having a point. So how much ever you want, you can just give the point. So I'll give around 3. I'll make it a little small, this circle. I'll keep this in a center. And here you'll be having a freehand tool. And if you press on your mouse left side, you'll be getting this option. Here you in the freehand tool. In that you will be having a pen tool here. So press that and zoom the workspace. Control plus is zooming, or else in the scroll button you can zoom it like this. Press Control plus and click there. And if you want to get a shape like this, just drag it. First what you need to do is just click it and again click and drag. You'll get this. Click and drag, you'll be getting 2 lines here, and cut that in the center with the help of Alt key. It'll go like this, and again perfectly meet the end point and drag like this. Okay, and you'll get the perfect leaf shape here. Perfect leaf shape you'll get here. And then what you need to do is and you'll be getting this leaf shape perfectly, and after that I'll tell you what to need to do. So after that, if you have draw the leaf like this, what you'll do is just take a outline color. Click on the right side of your mouse, whichever color you want. Just click on it. Okay. Click on your mouse right side. You'll get the outline color of the leaf. If you want to fill color also, you can press the left side of your mouse. See, like this. So I don't want the fill color, so I'll just take that out. So I'll decrease the size of the leaf, and I'll keep this leaf in the perfect middle of the round which I have taken, and zoom that and check whether it is in middle or not. Zoom it and check. Just take that up. Keep it properly like this, and after that duplicate it. After giving color, after drawing the leaf and after giving color to it also, whichever the color you want, the outline color, after giving that, just duplicate it by control key, control plus D. Control plus D is the duplicate control key of the Coral Draw. Press control D now. Will get like this, another leaf. This is duplicating. So you are just copying another leaf by pressing control plus D. So after that, you just take that leaf and put it into the original leaf shape, exactly to the same original leaf. On top of it, you put that which you have duplicated the leaf, put that on top of the original leaf. And after that, if you press again like this, you will be getting the rotation control like this. Okay, and the center button is called a rotation control in Coral Draw. Okay, you can rotate however you want in the corner of this rotation controls, and this center button is called a rotation control. Okay, and after that, what you'll do is you need to give a number to this rotation thing in the property bar. You'll be having a box here, you can see here. So you need to give the number here. Just give around 10. Give 10. Place it in the original leaf, and after that what you'll do, you'll be having a rotation control here, and what you'll do is take that rotation control and put it down in the center like this. Perfect center you need to put that. Perfectly put the rotation control in the center of the circuit, and you'll be having a guidelines. And if you don't have guidelines, just go to view tab, and you at and below the view tab, you'll be having a guidelines there. Just enable that, you'll get the guidelines. And after that, what you'll do is just give a number here, 10, and press enter. You'll get like this. After that, press control D till end. Till end, press control D. Okay, so that you'll get a leaf like this. Okay, and if you once press the control Z to come back like this, you should press till which you have taken till the original leaf, you should press control Z. Okay, so now you got my point, I think. So press again control D, duplicate it, and place on top of the original leaf and press it again, and you will be getting this rotation control, and take that rotation control and keep it in the center of the circle perfectly. Keep like this, and after that what you'll do is just give a number to it, around 5 or 10, how much ever you want. The space to one leaf to other leaf, give a space how much ever you want, 5 or 10. I am giving 10, so it will be like this. After that what I'll do, I'll press Ctrl D till end. See, I'll get the leaf like this. Okay, so after that what I'll do, I'll take some other shape and I'll just draw. Here we'll be having a polygon tool. So what I'll do is I'll press left side of the mouse so that I'll be getting the other tools also here. So in that I'll take star tool. So I'll take the star here and I'll place. If I want to place perfectly, press Ctrl plus and then place it properly. Place it properly like this and give a stroke color also, outline color. And if you want to give a outline color, what you'll do, press on your right side of the mouse whichever the color you want. I'll give blue, navy blue, and after that what I'll do, I just duplicate it. If I want to duplicate the shape means what I'll do, Control plus D. So I'll get another shape same as like the original one which I have taken first. Okay, so after that I'll be placing this duplicated star 2 on top of the original star. I'll place this properly. So you guys also place it properly so that you will get the perfect result after controlling. I mean like after rotation controlling, you will be getting perfectly each and every side. If you are not placing properly, you will not get the perfect side, perfect mandala art. So place it properly to the original one. Okay, and after that what you need to do is,
Busy, mom?
yeah,
Mom, can you show how to duplicate the flower leaves again?
okay, okay. See, I with the help of pick tool I have selected this. Okay, if I want to duplicate the particular shape means I'll just control D, control plus D, so that I'll be having the same shape again. So duplicated shape. So I'll be placing this duplicate shape to the original shape like this. So placing is very important and we need to place properly to the original star which I have taken. On top of it, you need to place it properly. If you are not placing properly, you will not get the perfect mandala art. So after placing everything, what you'll do is just press again, you'll be getting this rotation control. If you press like this again, you'll be getting transforming, and if you are pressing this, you'll be getting rotation control. So after that, what you'll do is, if you press this, you'll be getting this rotation control, and keep this, take this rotation control and put it down to the circle which you have first taken, the first circle. In the middle of it, you need to keep this rotation control. You need to keep the rotation control in the middle of this circle, and give the number space, I mean like the space between the shape which you have taken, give the number to it, how much ever you want you can give that. I'll give around 10. See, I'll get like this. So after that, I'll just press Ctrl D till I get to that end point. See, I'll get like this. So rotation control is very important. This circle, we need to put this rotation control in the middle of the circle only. Then only we'll get the perfect shape in the round. Or else we'll not get the perfect mandala art when you do, or when you can't put your rotation control in the middle of the circle. So after that, we'll take another shape also to get bigger mandala art. After doing this, select this whole thing and keep it in the middle. Keep this in the middle of the work area. Okay, select everything and keep this in the middle, and you will be having a guidelines there so that you can keep that in a middle. Okay, after that, zoom it, and whichever the shape you want you can take there. I'll take round. And if you want a perfect round means, what you will do, you should press a control key. See, if I am getting a round like this, if I want a perfect round means, I'll press control so that I can get a perfect round like this. See, like this. So after pressing control, I'll get the perfect round like this. With the help of pick tool, what I'll do, I'll place it in the middle. I'll zoom this, and I'll place this perfectly on top of the star which I have taken. Okay. Now what I'll do is, I'll give a outline color to this. So which I'll give a magenta color to this round. And if you want to give a more color to it, just press long press to it, and you'll be getting a more color in this magenta like this. So okay, whichever the color you want you can just fill it. Okay, now I'll fill the color like this, and I'll fill outline color as a magenta like this. And if you want to fill more color in magenta only, long press to the particular color whichever you want, so you'll be getting like this. You'll be getting the so many color like this. You can press, I mean like you can give any color whichever you want. Okay, I have given this, and I created my outline color also, the magenta color, and this is the magenta color. The color mode which we use for the vector based object or a vector based thing in CorelDRAW is CMYK. Color mode is cyan, magenta and yellow, black. In this I have taken a cyan magenta color here, magenta outline and magenta fill color to the circle. And after that what I'll do is duplicate it. To duplicate, I'll press Ctrl plus D. So I can duplicate it and I'll place it on the original circle like this. I should place it properly so that I can get the best result after that. And I'll press again and I'll be getting this rotation control, and each and every shape whichever you take that, you are doing the same thing for each and every shape. Only the thing is you need to take the perfect leaf size, perfect leaf thing, and whichever the shape you are taking, you need to give the perfect look to it. So now I'm taking this rotation control and placing in the middle of the circle. And we need to place this properly, then only we'll get the perfect mandala art. And after that what I'll do is I'll just go here on the property bar. You'll be having rotation, angle of rotation here, and I'll give number here. I'll give around 10. I'll be getting like this. So after that what I'll do is Control plus T to get till the original shape. So I'll be getting like this. After this I'm taking a pen tool again, pen tool here, and I'm drawing a leaf now. So if you are not comfortable with the pen tool, I'll teach you now. Just click here and again click and drag however you want. Click and drag however the leaf you want, you can just click and drag and you will be getting two lines like this. And if you are getting two lines like that, after that press alt and click in the middle node like this. So click here and it will go, and after that press and click and drag. Click like this and you'll be getting two lines here also. And alt and click here with the help of mouse. After that clearly draw on top of the circle which you have taken before. You'll be getting here like this. Zoom it, you can see here like this. If you're not getting properly, just press Ctrl Z. Again you'll go back and press alt and cut it here, and again click there end point, click on the end point and neatly place on top of the circle which you have taken before. Okay, and this will be your leaf, and give any outline color or any fill color you want. So I'm giving a leaf color as a green, like this, and I'm increasing the size of it also. And after that, what I'll do is Control plus D, and I'm placing on top of the original leaf which I have taken before. And I'm taking a pick tool and I'm pressing again here, and I'll be getting this rotation control, and I'm dragging this rotation control in the middle of the circle which I have taken perfectly. And after that, in the angle of rotation, I'm giving a number. So I'm giving around 10. I'll get like this. So after that, I'll press Ctrl D till I get to the original leaf. Got now like this. So after that, what you'll do is take a pick tool and select everything and make it small. When you want to do more mandala art in this, make it small and place it in the middle. So after that, what you'll do is take another shape or draw with a pen tool only if you want. Here I am taking a polygon tool like this, and I'm decreasing the number of it. I'm getting a diamond shape here. I don't want that. I'm increasing, and I'll be getting a shape like this, and I'm placing here. I'm decreasing the size of the shape like this, and I'm placing here. I need to decrease more. So I'm placing here. So I can fill the color here, whichever I want. So I'm filling here, and I'm removing the outline color. I'm pressing on my right side of the mouse so I can remove the outline color of the shape which I have taken. So now what I'll do is same thing, Control plus D, and you will get another shape like this. Same thing, I'm taking a pick tool and I am picking this shape and I'm placing on top of the original shape, and after that I'll press again. I'll be getting this. I'll just take this rotation control. I'm placing in the middle of the center perfectly. In the angle of rotation, I'll give a number. How much ever you want, you can give that much number, and I'm giving 10 because I have taken each and every shape number is 10, so that I'll get the equal number fitted, I mean like equal fitted shapes, so that See, I'll be getting like this. So after that, I'll press Ctrl D till to the original shape. So I'll be getting like this, the mandala art. After that, what I'll do is I'm just taking a right clicking here on the polygon tool, and I'm taking a star here. Star. If you want any perfect shape, any of the shape, if you want a perfect shape means you need to press control, then only you'll get the perfect shape. So I'm decreasing this. I'll be getting the shape like this. Again, I'll be getting a shape like this. So I'm keeping this shape and I'm decreasing the size of the shape like this. I'll zoom it. So I'm placing this shape perfectly like this. I'm zooming. I should place this shape above the shape which I have taken. And if you want to move aside, you can use arrows also. In your keyboard you'll be having arrows, so you can use arrows also if you want to move aside like this. So now I'll fill the color like this, and after that I'll press Ctrl D. I'll take a pick tool and I'm placing on the original shape. Same thing you need to do for the whole mandala art. So then only you'll get the perfect mandala art. So I'm keeping this center in the center. I'm giving a number here around 15. I'll get like this. So I'm pressing Ctrl D till the original shape. Got my point? It's look like coronavirus. So now I'm drawing a leaf here on top of it. I'm drawing a leaf, big leaf. So I'm taking a pen tool here. Clicking here and I'm dragging. I'll click and drag to get a shape. I'm clicking and dragging here so that I'll get the perfect shape like this. So then I'll get two lines like this. If I'm getting a two lines like this, I need to press Alt and I should click in the middle of the line, so it will go. So after that I need to click and drag this, what I did before. So I'll do the same thing here also. So I want only this much, or else I can join to this and to this hand, however the shape you want. If you are joining to the end point, it will create a shape like this. If you are not joining to the end, it will be like this. Okay, if I join to end like this, see, it will create a shape. So now I'm giving a color to it. So I'm increasing the size of the outline. So I'll give around 4 point. So 2, okay, 1.0 I'll give. It look like this. So what I'll do next is Control plus D. I'll take a pick tool and then I'll place on the original shape, and it will show you center or middle, top or bottom. The guidelines will show you what to do next. So it will show perfectly, so that you can place it perfectly wherever you can, wherever you want. So after that, what you'll do is press it again, you'll be getting like this. So keep this rotation control in the down like this, middle of it, and give the number here. Then enter. So it's not perfect now. I should give 15, because before I have taken 15, so that's why. So I'm pressing Ctrl Z. If you are not getting perfectly there, you can press Ctrl Z, it will go back till the duplicate thing. So now what you will do is take a pick tool and select it again and duplicate it. Ctrl plus T is a duplication, and place it on the original shape and press it again. You will be getting this rotation control. So take this rotation control, place it in the middle and give around 50. You will be getting like this. So after that, just press Ctrl plus T till the original shape. So it is moving, so that I didn't put my like rotation control in the middle properly, so that I'm getting like this. So what I'll do is I'll just duplicate it again. If you are getting, like if you are not getting properly, you need to do that from the first. So place this, perfectly, press this, and give a number in the angle rotation as a 15. You'll be getting like this. If you are not doing properly, you will be not getting. And this, if the rotation control is moving aside, you'll be not getting the perfect thing, perfect mandala art. It should not move anywhere, it should be in the center of the circle which you have taken in the first. So if it is moving, you'll be not getting the perfect mandala art. That's the main secret in this mandala art. It should not move, and you need to place place it on top of the original thing which you have taken. That so perfectly you should place it. And you need to put this rotation controls also, you need to check that whether it is perfectly placing or not. And you, that's why you'll be having a guidelines here. If you are not getting guidelines, I told you before, go to view tab, and there you'll, below of it you'll be having a guidelines there, just enable it. See, after doing this, just to decrease the size of the shape, and you can do it more, how much ever you want, you can draw it mandala art. And this is your mandala art. And if you want to draw more shapes on top of it, you can draw again. Just take a star. I'm taking a star here, and I'm taking this star and decreasing the size of it like this. I'm decreasing the size of it again, and I'm placing in the middle of it like this, decreasing the size again. I'm placing this like this, and I'm giving a color to it whichever I want, and you can also give the color whichever you want. I'm giving this neon red color, and for outline I'll give black only. And after giving this, what you'll do is just control D and take a pick tool and place this on the top of the original shape and press it again. You'll get this control, rotation control, and take that rotation control and place it in the middle of the circle perfectly. If you are not placing the rotation control in the center, you will be not getting the perfect mandala art. You need to place this perfectly in the middle of the circle. So after that, what you'll do is angle rotation. You'll come to angle rotation and you'll give the number. I'll give 15. It will come like this, because before this diamond shape, before this star, I have taken 15 only angle rotation number. So now also I'm taking 15 so that I'll get the best good shape now, good design now. So I'm pressing Ctrl D till to the original shape. I'll get like this. And I'll get the mandala art like this, and I can just increase the size of it, and I can place it, and I'll take one another circle in the middle of it. I'll keep this circle and I'll give a color. I'm giving this blue purple to the middle circle. And now I am going to select all this mandala art which I did, and I'm going to group this. For grouping, we are what I told, Control plus G is for grouping. Control plus G. I'm doing that, and I can move anywhere. I'll get this. Okay. And this is the mandala art you can do. And you can do it with a one color only, like this, only with a black, and you can increase the stroke and you can do it in the one color only, or else you can do it with the multicolors like this. Guys, do you have any doubts in this? Guys, are you there?
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to end this class. I mean, like, end this session now.
Ma'am.
Okay.